Well, I decided to come down to the Keys. It's a beautiful place down here, but the traffic nightmare. It's 150 miles from Miami to Key West or more, and the whole way it's about 45 miles an hour. It takes forever. Plus they got about 9 different places they're doing traffic or construction. But it is a beautiful place. I'm standing on 7 Mile Bridge between two of the islands. This was a old railroad bridge at one time, and now it's a walking bridge, and you can walk all 7 miles of it. And when I say you, I mean you, not me. That will be a cold day in hell. And anyways, but it is a beautiful place. The traffic is just terrible. You can't make any money driving back and forth and going 30 miles an hour, so I'm not going to stay long. I thought I'd check it out, and then it'll be back to Miami and working my way up the East Coast. So just thought I'd check in with you this morning. Y'all have a good one.